What's going on YouTube? Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaner here again with another carpet cleaning video for your viewing pleasure. Now today we got 3 on the books. The first job is a 2-bedroom general cleaning, real quick, nothing too crazy. The second job is actually a general cleaning that was originally scheduled. However, they said that they may need a restorative cleaning depending on what we think about their level of soiling, and so we'll see about that when we get there. And then the third job, we've got a pet treatment for 3 bedrooms as well as a sofa. So stay tuned as usual. Appreciate you all viewing, and we hope you enjoy the video. All right, so we're at the second home and the homeowner is not here. However, we did notify them that, hey, we evaluated your carpet and we do recommend getting our restorative package. However, they opted to just go ahead for our general cleaning package, which is completely fine. There's no problem at all. We just let the customer know, hey, some of these stains just may not come up because they need a deep scrubbing in order to do any type of work to it. So that's that, and let's get back to the carpet cleaning.